Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Christina and this is my channel Christina Coupons with You. So today I have a special video and this is in collaboration with Gina Schweppe. So we are doing the $10 Halloween costume Dollar Tree challenge. So I have a few things here that I picked up at the Dollar Tree. We're going to be doing one Halloween costume in my video here today. So I'm really excited. And there are other people in there as well. I will leave everyone in the description box below. But thank you so much, Gina, for inviting me in on this. This has been really fun. I had so many ideas when I was walking through Dollar Tree and I had to just narrow it down. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. So today we are going to be doing a scarecrow. So the first thing I picked up was this cowboy hat. So it is obviously not a scarecrow hat, but we're going to make this into a scarecrow hat. So this is like a styrofoam type material. It does say cowboy hat right on it. Obviously $1 at the Dollar Tree. But they had different colors. So they had like pink and red and black, and then I found this brown. So this was the closest thing to like that straw color. I'm just going to make it look like a scarecrow hat. The next thing I picked up was this guy. So this hat doesn't have a lot of structure. It's kind of like it just moves around. So what I'm planning on doing is putting this on here, and then we're going to dress it up from there. So we're going to need one of these guys right here. Next thing I grabbed was this burlap ribbon. So again, this is going to be part of the decorating process and making this hat look like a scarecrow hat. And the next two things are these guys. So these are just like straw looking bundles of like stringy straw. So I got one that is the actual color of straw, and then of course one that's, you know, a little bit colorful. So we have like a dark orange, a brown, and a red. I figured since the hat is brown and we're not going to be able to completely cover the hat, we might as well just bring a little bit of it in. And it kind of makes sense because realistically, if you have a scarecrow out, it's going to get weathered and dirty. So we're going to definitely be using these. The next thing I have is some leaves. So these are also going to be used to decorate the hat. So we have some cute leaves. You could even like stuff them in your shirt or something. So I grabbed this guy, and they're colorful and I think they'll look really good against the hat. The next thing I got, so I was looking for a different product. I was going to get glue, but I don't think glue is going to work with this. So I actually got this floral wire. So it's really thin. You can cut it with your scissors. It's like 50 feet. So I'm going to actually be using this floral wire instead of using like glue or string or something. And I figured if I'm not getting the type of structure that I want with this hat, I can kind of use the wire to help that as well. The next thing I got was an orange lipstick. So this is a, let's see, Wet n Wild Mega Blast Carrot Gold lipstick. So it's definitely a darker orange, but it looked pretty pigmented, and that's what I was looking for. So we have this guy. And lastly, I got a black eyeliner because we're going to be drawing on our face. So this is just an LA Colors eyeliner, so hopefully it works good. Okay, so I also did my makeup. So I just did like foundation and kind of heavy-ish blush, and you know, just to you know, do a base for the look, because we are going to be using makeup and I wanted something to like for it to like adhere to, if that makes any sense. You guys can do anything with your makeup and your eyes. This is just what I did. Okay, so first step is I think we're gonna make the hat first. So I am going to just take my scissors and cut everything off. And so I figured when I was walking around the store, I was like, okay, we need something to make this a strong hat. So we're going to adhere this. So I'm going to use some of this wire, and since this is like styrofoam practically, I figured I can just poke the wire through. It does have like some type of base on the bottom, so it shouldn't like rip the styrofoam, whereas like everything comes off. It should be okay. It's thin wire. It's not heavy duty. It's not going to be really pulling on things. So we are just going to try this out and see how it works. Okay, so this is completely secured. So I think in a perfect world, you could find something to like push the top of this out and it would be more like a scarecrow. I'm just gonna leave it. But I did secure this. So I just did 3 little pieces of wire through one of these little like branches, and voila. So now I'm going to make some bundles of this and we're going to attach it to that. So it kind of looks like straw, which I really like. I actually like that it's not like straight, because I feel like a real scarecrow, when it gets weathered, it's not straight and pretty. So I'm going to grab big bundles like this. I'm going to take a piece of my wire and we are just going to do a wrap around so that it's secured, and I'm going to attach it to my hat. Okay, like so, and then you can rough it up. So I'm actually going to do this all over the hat. I'm going to do some longer ones that are going to kind of cover this, and maybe some that will come up here. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I am going to kind of mix in some of the colors. And then with the extra wire, you can cut it off, but I'm just tucking it. As long as it doesn't poke through the hat and poke you, I don't think it really matters. Okay, so I've started my project. I did decide to add a bow, so I am going to go around the entire thing. It's going to look a lot better when it's done, but I decided to take the burlap ribbon here and do like a big bow, so it's going to be like a little female scarecrow. I'm going to add some of these in behind the ribbon, of course, and throughout it. So I want it to be like a big crazy scarecrow hat. So yeah, so we're just gonna, I'm gonna go all the way around again and finish this up, and then I will show you guys what I did. I'm still using this wire. It's very easy to cut with scissors. I'm still using it to fasten everything, and I'm so glad, because glue, I feel like this whole thing would be so messy if we had glue. So I'm literally just using wire. So I'm going to finish this and we'll do our face makeup and throw this on, and we will be a scarecrow. Okay guys, so this is what I came up with for my hat. So it's obviously very crazy, but I love it. So this is going to be like kind of like the front area. I think I'm going to put it to the side a little bit, but I decided to do a bow right here. I feel like the camera's not picking up how like fun this is. It doesn't really look as crazy. You guys will see at the end. I will take a shot with it on my head, but it's really cute and kind of crazy. And I added the leaves in. And then I added some burlap on the side and just like leaves. So just kind of making it look crazy. So I'll show you guys at the end how this ends up turning out. So now we are going to do our makeup. So I'm going to start with the eyeliner first. So I'm just doing lines on the side of my mouth. Okay, so I have my nose and my face. I am going to put some lines underneath my eye. So now I'm going to go in with my orange. I think I'm still going to touch up my face, but for now I'm going to go in with my orange. So I'm doing orange lips. I'm going to orange up my nose. I actually wasn't going to do orange on the black, but we'll just tap it on there. Okay guys, so I did my orange nose, orange cheeks, orange lips, and my craziness. So we're going to put my hat on and I'll show you the final look. Okay guys, so this is the final look. Obviously you guys can put on like a plaid shirt or something, but this is the hat. Pretty cute. And our makeup, so I wear glasses. I don't have any contacts right now, but so we have our rosy cheeks here. So I use a lipstick for everything, of course, and our little things there. I threw something in on my forehead. I just did my own eyeshadow. You don't even have to use eyeshadow. But I think this is so cute. So this is like tilted. You can do it however you want. You can put it straight. You can put it here in the front, however you'd like. This is actually comfortable for me, but I think it's so cute having things like falling down and having it all crazy. And you can wear a simple outfit with this, and this is fine because people are just going to be looking up top anyways. But yeah, you can also, something that I would do if I were like fully dressed in this is I would take the rest of this straw and maybe like tie it up top in my hair and let it like come through my hair, so it kind of looks like that's my hair. You can like stuff it in your shirt, you can stuff it in your sleeves. So there's plenty of this stuff, you know, left over. But this is all I have for you guys today. This actually only took 9 items. So my total was $9.50 because of tax. So under $10, and you have a really cool Halloween costume. So thank you again, Gina, for inviting me in on this project. I had really a lot of fun actually, and I'm probably going to reuse my hat here. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, I'd love it if you gave it a big thumbs up, and have a happy Halloween. Bye guys.